Do you ever feel extremely motivated at nighttime, more specifically right before bed? You tell yourself you're gonna work out the next morning, work on your business, work on your paper, but in the morning when you wake up, that motivation is completely gone and you can't seem to get it back? This is a very common phenomenon related to the Ainsley-Racklin model of self-control, where smaller rewards that are closer in time are more enticing than behaviors that could reap bigger rewards but are a little further in time or that will take a bit more effort to accomplish. In other words, the more available the reward, the more appealing. Now back to the motivation and sleeping. Now right before bed, all rewards seem pretty distant, right? 8 hours or how many hours of sleep you get at night. Nothing feels pretty instant right now besides sleep. But now you're in a motivated state and you're committed to work out or work on your paper, work on your business, so you go to sleep with that intention. But as soon as you wake up, all rewards become now available to you, or at least the instant rewards are available. You can turn on the TV, you can chill on the couch, you can do everything that's not the tedious task of working out or working on your paper, where you're now realizing that the rewards from doing these tasks are gonna come much later in life. So you choose what's instantly gratifying. At the end of the day, you now realize you didn't get everything done that you were supposed to or you told yourself that you were gonna do. So you get this burst of motivation again at night and you tell yourself, tomorrow is the day, I'm gonna get it all done. And then the same cycle continues. This is a common phenomenon, but this cycle needs to break if you really want to be successful in your journey. You have to stay disciplined. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want the most. Always choose what you want the most, even if it's not instantly gratifying. I know you got this.